Thank you for joining me for today's video. Today we're going to transform a cake into a candy corn cake. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me. To start drawing our cake, we're going to draw a straight line on the left-hand side of our page. This will determine how tall the side of our cake is. For the bottom of the cake, we draw a diagonal line, and it's quite a long line. Up on the top, I'm going to draw one really lightly, this so I have a guideline of where to put my frosting so I don't go too high. And then I draw curves for my frosting, some shorter, some longer, and then a line straight down to that line I had on the bottom. I'm going to make that line a little bit longer because I do need some frosting on the end of my cake. For the back of the cake, draw a diagonal line. For the side of the cake, I'm going to draw a straight line down and then just a little curve at the end so it looks like there's frosting. A little curve here. And then on top of the cake, I'm going to do dollops of icing. It's a teardrop shape. They're going to overlap each other. The one that I draw first is in front of all of the rest, and then each one after that is behind the one before it. So about 4 of those will get you across the top. If you have 5 or 3, that's good too, depending on how large you draw them. For the eyes, I'm going to draw big circles. And it's okay if you go on top of your frosting a little bit. We'll erase that later. I'm going to draw 2 curved lines in the top and bottom corners. The top corner is a bigger curved line, the bottom is a little smaller. That will be the reflections of the eyes. For the mouth, I'm going to draw a line and a little loop. This makes it look like he has his tongue sticking out. I'm going to draw a straight line across to divide the colors for my candy corn. It'll also look like layers of a cake. I'm also going to add 2 curved lines on each of the icings on top, and then I'll color those later with the candy corn colors, so it looks like there's little pieces of candy corn on top. And now I'm going to outline everything with a black permanent marker. Make sure that when you outline, you don't go inside the eyes quite yet when you're doing the icing. Outline the eyes, fill them in. That will cover up some of the lines from the icing. Be careful when you do the little loop that you don't go too fast or it'll close up the tongue. I'm going to erase any of the pencil that I missed with the permanent marker, kind of to clean it up a little. And then it's time to start coloring. And I'm going to start coloring with a yellow marker for the bottom of the candy corn. I'm also going to use that same yellow, but I have a smaller marker to do the bottom of the little candy corns on top. And then an orange marker for the next layer, and I'm going to leave the icing on top white, so it looks like that's the 3rd layer of the candy corn. And same on the little dollops of icing. And a little pink for the tongue. And the candy corn cake is finished. If you enjoyed today's drawing, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more drawings coming, and I'm also going to be transforming a lot more cakes.